Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Honeywell Home Smart Thermostat with Honeywell Home app. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all the necessary tools and materials for the installation. Ensure you have a screwdriver, a drill, and the Honeywell Home Smart Thermostat. Before starting, turn off the power to your heating and cooling system at the circuit breaker. Remove the old thermostat from the wall. Detach the old thermostat from the mounting plate and note the wiring configuration. Take a picture of the wires to ensure correct reconnection. Remove the old mounting plate from the wall. Locate the wiring inside the wall. Separate the exposed wires and identify their corresponding labels. Refer to the installation manual for the Honeywell Home Smart Thermostat. Connect the existing wires to the new thermostat according to the labels. Push the wires back into the wall and attach the thermostat to the mounting plate. Secure the thermostat in place with screws. Once the thermostat is installed, turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Download the Honeywell Home app from your mobile device's app store. Open the Honeywell Home app and create an account or log in. Select the option to add a new device in the app. Choose thermostat from the list of available devices. Follow the prompts to connect the thermostat to your Wi-Fi network. Use the app to configure the thermostat settings to your preference. Test the thermostat by adjusting the temperature settings. Ensure the heating or cooling system responds correctly. Once the setup is complete, review the app features for scheduling and energy reports. Your Honeywell Home Smart Thermostat is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.